What the piff is going on, my fellow Zenites? Welcome to a new episode of The Easiest Way Out in Crypto. Today is a special day. We start in a new week, and in a new quarter, and also in a new half of the year. And today I would like to reflect on the first half of the year, which was surprisingly strong for stocks and for crypto. For most people, it was really unexpected because the expectations were pretty low on this year, and it was more like expecting a hovering around and not so crazy of a rally we saw. When we take a look at the major indexes, like the S&P 500, it recovered extremely well here in the first half of the year. Also, the Nasdaq, which is basically all the tech companies and more of the higher risk investments, and they also performed really, really well. And nevertheless, we can even see that the German stock market, the DAX index, already reached a new all-time high. Isn't that insane? So, a beautiful half of the year for investors. It couldn't be better. We saw a V-shaped recovery in stocks, which was really unexpected for many people. Also, crypto done exceedingly well. Bitcoin doubled 100% return within half a year. It is really insane. You might think how it is going to go. How is it going to continue like this? Are we also seeing new all-time highs here and just going straight up again? With all those conflicts in the world, especially in the Western world, in the USA and in Europe specifically. France demonstrates, and a political shift to the right side. How is it going to be for investors? When we take a look at our pZEN investments, we can see, as expected, that pZEN is sitting here close to its sacrifice value, and pZEX is sitting well below its sacrifice value, which was kind of expected because there was just too much money and too little money entering the bridge. Even though it was 150 million, which is quite a lot, but it wasn't enough to withstand the selling pressure that came in. And in my opinion, it is a fantastic time to accumulate, especially here in the pZEN ecosystem. Accumulate the coins, Richard Hart, the incentive token, the pZEX and the wrap pZEX, and Hex, which is really cheap right now. Everything is pretty cheap. It can get cheaper, but it's already really nice prices. If we're taking a look at our favorite coin, pZEN, we can see that the volume is climbing up again. There is a lot of action on the pZEN side. The thing is that we don't have much liquidity in our pools, which is on the other hand very good because we don't need much economic force to move up the price really, really high, to make 10% moves in one day. We even saw in the last couple of days somebody bought only like $1,500 worth of pZEN, and he pushed up the price 60%. So, on one hand, this is good. We don't know why whales are hesitating to build a liquidity position in pZEN. When we take a look at our biggest pool, we can see there's only 37 million inside the pool. Which is basically nothing. I mean, this is like $3,700 in liquidity. I mean, what? Only 4 million pZEN on the liquidity pools. So we need to wait for the price to go up a little bit higher, and then people will feel more comfortable in providing liquidity. Because the price of pZEN currently is definitely too low. If we're taking a look at our Telegram chat, we can see that there are actually all the time new buyers coming in, and they're building small positions. And even the whales, they are accumulating even more. This guy holding 6 million and still accumulating. And this is very nice to see here. Also a new person joining the party, which is very good. And we can expect the growth to be higher in the future because there's so much demand for this protocol. There's so much utility that is coming in, and people really start realizing the opportunity that they face here at these low valuations. Right now for $1,000 you can buy 1.16 million pZEN, and the price is at 0.00859, which is slightly above the launch price, and this is a very good deal. And here we can see the issues. It's just $1,000 buy will make you eat 8% slippage. It is quite a lot, yes. That's why we see multiple small buys from people, because they hope that when they could accumulate more, then because they're not pushing the price that high, and maybe then somebody is selling again, then we see a little bit more trading, which is great for the PIF, of course. Accumulating pZEN right now is essential for future wealth. We have a strong foundation, and it's just pointing everything in the right direction. As you can see here, the pZEN version is way stronger in trading, which makes sense because you can trade for 10 cents, swap pZEN for 10 cents, which is awesome. You can transfer it for 5 cents. It is awesome. And on Ethereum, you still pay $20 for swapping, or even $10 for just a transfer. It is crazy. No wonder that the pZEN version is becoming the main standard, in my opinion. It's just much better, and we should see a switch to the pZEN side, which makes absolutely sense. It is much more convenient for people to swap, to trade, to do everything. And even if you just want to live upon the interest of pZEN, you say you're gonna buy a million coins, and then you say, okay, I want to live upon the interest, I want to swap the interest, and then you see like, okay, for my 1 million coins that I hold, I got per day like 50 pZEN, and then after every week or after every month, you just sell your interest. Like that. It's just easy. Just keep the principal and sell the interest and have an income paying protocol. And then you have your wallet, and then you see, okay, pZEN paid me this much amount, $100 a month, which is great. You're fine with that. And you can even cash this out super cheap on the pZEN with only 10 cents swap fees. It is perfect. And also the PIF payouts is even higher because people are more likely to trade on this because of small fees. Moreover, we got great news because Conrad Zen, the founder of pZEN, is finally back after his trip. I think it was 4 weeks someplace. 4 weeks, a long time no see. He was completely out of social media and really accepted his challenge, and congrats to him. Well deserved. And now we finally get some insights about his challenge that he accepted. Okay, here you get a little insight about his tweet. I have always liked the Undercover Boss series, but my experience over the last 4 weeks as a pretend normal broke guy has me believed at how brainwashed and uneducated people really are. Oh my god, pZEN will change everything. What is he going to tell us with that? Folks, I don't know. We will see. Maybe we get more insight in this next video. I would be very excited to hear about his rumored participants in the Undercover Boss series. That would be so amazing. Alright, with that said, I gotta hang out, and today we drink no coffee, just water. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.